Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Yeah. So, today, here with the genocide boss, the crook. You see me? Masicka update. Masicka album and forward. Masicka take long for drop. Masicka drop the album, brother. Masicka drop the album. About 90 days now, me wait. Masicka drop the album, bro. Drop the album, bro. We need the album, them J. Drop it. Hurry up and drop it. So today we are here with update, like I said, update. So let's jump to that one and see what go on. Let's see what the crooks are say. Change the scene. Let's go, my J. First time listening, never heard before. Let's go.
Everybody up. Yeah. Give them an update.
Give you an update. Big up TJ Records for that one too. TJ Records. I did see it at the start of the video. Big up TJ Records. Onto my chair. Yeah. Big up TJ Records.
Everybody up. Love you look. Yeah. Give them an update. What me do? Spend a couple dumb play. Make the club shake. Living legend on the asphalt. No the must eat.
Masicka, them can't stop any dog. Them cannot stop you, bro. Your flow keep changing. Your style keep evolving. Brother, Masicka, you can't sing a shit song. You can't sing a bad song in my books. Where the crooks them there? Big up the crooks them out there, man. Big up the genocide people them.
Slim girl with the pussy girl that have enough weight. Everybody up.
Yeah. Give them an update. Woo!
Everybody up. Love you look. Yeah, give them an update.
Update. That one. Loading.
Spend a couple dumb play. Make the club shake. Living legend on the asphalt. No the must eat. Slim girl with the pussy girl that have enough weight. Everybody up. Give them a.
The man not care which girl. Slim girl on the asphalt. And the girl carry enough weight. Any girl. The man not. Give them an update, man. Yes, man.
Update. Enough shatters, fear run out, just wait. Tough crackers, them badness a cupcake and no bus clappers.
Tough crackers. Oh no, what is tough crackers? Oh no, what is tough? Alright, let's see if we can find a tough crackers. Hold on, man, hold on. Yo, it's a tough crackers, your dog. Yo, it's a tough crackers, your brother. Bag all open. Excelsior tough. See, tough crackers are people. So for those who don't know what tough crackers is, we're in the UK, because I know I have enough UK sub. Cock out.
Everybody, up. Give them a update. Enough shatters, fear run out, just wait. Tough crackers, them badness a cupcake. And the bus clappers, a broke foot, a duct tape. Girl love backers, top girl mo fuck straight. Or the swamp look, bank book a chuck weight. A big boom.
Oh, the swamp look, my bank book a chuck weight. My bank book a chuck weight. My bank book not light, it's heavy. Bars!
A old broom, no freak, a clean sweep. Just sweep.
What up?
Tough crackers, them badness a cupcake. Bus clappers, a broke foot, a duct tape. Girl love backers, top girl mo fuck straight.
Top girl, the man not fuck na batter years. Because all of the girl them out there still, me not call them the batter years, but the man not fuck na batter years. The man not fuck na jalopy. You hear that? Hot girl straight. Hot girls, you know yourself, step forward. Step back and mind the wife beat, you know.
Oh, the swamp look, bank hook a chuck weight, a big broom, a old broom, no freak,
yeah.
Clean sweep, must wake, no escape, house lift up left gate, love.
Masicka! G! Yo, lyrics packing of this, but it look like him never try. Masicka make it look so easy, like him not. Like Masicka, another video, Masicka high. In another video, Masicka high, bro. Masicka high in this video. Just check him.
Love it look, bore up a chest plate. Love it look, Roll up and next great. One crocodile, pussy them a pet snake. Run with me.
Yo! Words of Fling is another song, yeah. Me not care who. Words of Fling. Words of Fling. Me not call no name of who. Cause me don't want nobody beep in the comment section, but Words of Fling. Yeah. Crocodile. The pussy them a pet snake. Not even a harmless snake. Them a pet. Not even a wild snake. Them a pet snake.
Roll up and next great. One crocodile, pussy them a pet snake. Run with me style, yeah, give them a upgrade.
See?
Move anything, if I know me, I must fight. Hustle.
Move anything. If I know me, I must fight. Remember them say fight move mountain. The man I say, yo, me move anything. If it's not me, I must fight. Go on, hold the fight.
Oh, yeah, me love straight. Rise early, murder the sun, me walk late. Pussy, why you think me thing never fluctuate?
Rise early, murder the sun, walk late. Rise early, murder the sun, walk late. Why you think me thing never fluctuate? Thing always up. Thing always up. Masicka, yo. Masicka style different from every other dancehall artist style. Masicka is a lyricist also. You see me? Me no want call no more artist name in the man review or in the man reaction song. Maybe just want to keep it Masicka only.
Love it, look. Give them an update. Seizure.
Give them an update. So him change him accent now to like that. It's like an English accent not now. Listen. Listen carefully.
Love it, look. Give them an update. Seizure. Girl see me and just shake. One deal with my bars like she a suck grape. Seizure, girl see me and just shake. One deal with my bars like she a suck grape.
What?
London girl would I say, yup mate.
Me know same change him accent to an English accent. See that? Me know. From your update. Me know it's an English accent that you say. London girl say, what's up mate?
One deal with my bars like she a suck grape.
Yeah.
London girl would I say, yup mate.
Yup mate.
Trinidad, New York, upstate. The 9 other y'all, pussy them love 8. When me say badness upgrade,
Industry.
9 other y'all. Would I say, yup mate. Trinidad, New York, upstate. The 9 other y'all, pussy them love 8. When me say badness upgrade, Fosmatic, black clocks, tough suede. Line them up, think me a run fade. See me ya, pussy them just afraid.
Line them up, you think me I run fade? Hairstyle him at refer to this but it's not the hairstyle him I refer to. Line them up. You think me I run fade? You get that? See me ya?
Line them up, think me a run fade. See me ya, pussy them just afraid. Shooting, murder, gun trade. Me jump up, just made. Everybody up, give them a update. Love it look. Everybody up, love it look. Yeah, give them a update. What me do? Spend a couple dub plate, make the club shake. Living legend on the asphalt.
Yo. Spend a couple dub plate, make the club shake. Living legend.
What me do? Spend a couple dub plate, make the club shake. Living legend on the asphalt. No, they must eat. Slim gal swing the pussy, gal carry enough weight. Everybody, up, give them a.
Yo, brother, may I have to stop it this up. Brother, Masicka, you know say, I wouldn't say Masicka is underrated. But in my eyes, Masicka don't get the glory when we get. Masicka don't get the glory when we get. That's why from day one, Masicka have been paving the way for himself. Big up Sicka, brother. Big up Sicka. Me a follow Sicka music from him and Shaddy's them a war dog. As so long, me a follow Masicka music, brother. From him and Shaddy's them a war. Then him war with Kaledo. Then him and Conscience they have a little thing. Then him and Demarco they have a little thing. Yo. Masicka make him name for himself, brother. Masicka aim shot off. I don't know the answer. Yes, me this seminar. Me na call nobody name. Me have to do it because that is I'm talking Masicka history right here. Masicka the G dog, no joke.
Update. Nah miss him. Pain. Target him. Brain. The dumb body. You're talking it in vain. Me clotting it. The cartridge a fling flame. Most haunted were haunted and insane.
You hear the man think stitch again? You hear the man Follow that different flow again. Listen to that flow. Listen to that flow, yeah.
The cartridge a fling flame. Most wanted were haunted and insane. Just bad. A gun bag a ring game. Who give them name? Still the modest in eye.
Game.
Kill quick ahead a fly. For fling kick I never hide.
No.
Picnic could never try. Pull up,
No.
pull up. Everybody up. Murder. Give them a update. Murder, murder. Everybody up. Love you look. Yeah, give them a update. What me do? Spend a couple dub play. Make the club share. Living legend on the asphalt.
Spend a couple dub plate. For those who don't get that line there, because make it pass me 2 times. Let me explain what I talk about this song. When I'm saying spend a couple dub plate, spend a couple dub plate money. So if a 2,000 US a one for Masicka dub plate, for one Masicka dub plate, that means say a 4,000 US that. You see me? So when I tell you say yo, if we spend a couple dub plate money, there so to make the club shake. You see me? When I mean make the club shake, whether I'm gonna buy some strappings or some shot, like some box of shot and some new rifle or whatever. But he must spend him dub plate money. So him show one of them, him not to touch him show one of them, cause him dub plate more is expensive enough for do that for maintain that lifestyle where I live with the crooks them. You see me? Dub plate money, cause dub plate expensive. You see me? Especially Masicka one, cause Masicka not joke.
Everybody up, love you look. Yeah, give them a update. What me do? Spend a couple dub play, make the club share. Living legend on the asphalt, know the must eat. Slim gal swing the pussy, gal look carry enough weight. Everybody up, give them a update.
December, but this DEC 3, what's that? December 3? December 3rd, man, release the album? They cancel long Masicka, you mad? Yeah, man, big up TJ Records, man. See there? TJ! Them coulda said right. Yo, song bad. Masicka never fail his fans. Big up all of the crooks them out there. Big up the people who genuinely love music and not pick no side neither. You see me? Masicka big up yourself. TJ big up yourself. Masicka, drop the album, brother. We are wait. If you want to wait for Masicka album, please put in the comment section and say waiting. Just say waiting. Cause we are waiting. Masicka, drop the album, brother. Me know the album finish, Masicka. We are waiting, bro. Drop the album, G. Anyway, guys, this is what I'm going to leave down there. If you enjoy the reaction and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a like. I got my shot at tough crackers.